have purchased the Bomata kitchen scale here. I live in Japan, so everything's in Japanese here. And the one I bought is in black, from 0.1 grams to 5 kilograms, which is perfect for my use. And the reason I bought this scale is because I actually melted my other one. I had it too close to the stove, so I decided to take this opportunity to upgrade. And I needed something with more than 1 gram accuracy because I make candles, and I'll show you that process in a second. But right out of the box, I'm quite impressed with this. It comes with this lid to protect it. The bonus here is that it has measurements on it, so if you put any liquid in it, that might come in handy. I like that. On the back here, it comes with this weighting tool, so you can test the accuracy of your scale. Gosh, my camera's not focusing here. But yeah, this is 100 grams. Useful tool here. Also keeps the scale weighted, which is nice. And on the other side, some batteries. I put these in myself, but they did come with it. That's useful if you don't want to plug it in when you use it. Finally, right off the bat here, the insert is a USB-C, which I really appreciate. But the cord goes to a USB standard port here, so you do need to have your own contraption if you're plugging this into the wall. Now again, this is all in Japanese, but you have your light here. You have your tare button. I'm not sure if I'll use it, but there's percent here, and then your chosen weight. Mine's probably going to default to grams and kilograms, which is fine by me. And then we have a hold button, an off-on button, the number of units that you're measuring if you want to divide that. And this button here says correction. This hold button here, what that's good for is, say you have a big thing, like a big plate here, and it obfuscates the scale, you can just press the hold button and remove it, and it saved it for you. Probably in my case, I'll be using these ones the most, and of course the off-on. And this did come with stickers protecting it. I've already taken those off. And now I'm really going to have to put my Japanese skills to the test. There's no English. Ah! Perfect. So you can see right away with the scale is that as you get higher in number, it becomes less precise. There's more preciseness at lower levels. Yeah, you see I'm looking for 339.2 and it's going from, 340 now. It's going from 339.5 to 339. So I'm not able to get it exact, but that's okay. I will estimate, I will guesstimate, and I know from previous experience that this is fine. It's when I'm doing the liquids, the smaller amounts, that I want to be precise. So it's fair to say that despite the inaccuracy at higher weight, I'm content with this, and let's hope that I don't melt this one.